Well, hello there. I'd like to do a quick video, compare 4 guns from the left to right. Springfield XDM 45. This is a 4.5 version. Here we have a SIG p228 9mm. Yeah, just to make sure p228. Here we have a Glock 30 45, and here we have a kahr p380 380 caliber. Okay, so as you can see, from the biggest to the smallest, obviously the 45 Springfield 4.5 is the biggest gun out of the bunch. Then we have 9mm SIG and Glock, and of course the little kahr. Okay, well, you can see here how they compare in size. I just want to show you, maybe like so. Okay, well, okay, as far as the ease of use, disassembly, all these guns are pretty easy to disassemble, and I'm going to show you one by one how to do it. It's pretty easy and quick. Okay, I'm going to do it kind of fast so you can see how quickly you can do it. Okay, first things first, of course you got to make sure it's safe. Okay, so let's go do it quick. Magazine out, cycle twice, cycle, slide back, visual, physical inspection of the weapon, nothing there. And here, from here, you can just move this up, pull back, release, out, done. That's Springfield XDM. SIG, out, this one is loaded, cycle, rock back, visual, physical inspection, nothing. Same principle. This one, instead of going up, this one goes down. Slide back, release, boom, out. Okay, that was SIG. Glock, magazine out, this one is loaded for sure. Route came out, cycle twice, rock back, physical, visual inspection, nothing there. This one, always point to the ground, squeeze trigger, pull back slightly, 2 levers down, out, disassemble, quick. This one, a little harder, magazine out, cycle twice, cycle back, inspection, physical, visual, nothing. This one, the way you do it, pull back, there's 2 notches right here, they meet, pull back. I usually use the magazine and I push this pin out with the magazine. Okay, make sure these meet, push it out, see here, and pull this out. And then this one you gotta squeeze trigger as you pull out, and it's out. Very simple. Okay, now let's put them back together. Same thing. This one here, you gotta pull back, notches meet, push this pin in, that's it. Works. Glock, very simple. Glock is the easiest here. Just pull back, put the slide on, pull back, and it's done. Okay, SIG, slide goes on, pull back, lever, release, all good. Springfield XDM, same principle, goes on, pull back, all the way back, lock it in, and then this goes down. All good to go. All these guns, as you can see, are easy to disassemble and assemble. As far as the shooting characteristics, Springfield is the heaviest out of the bunch with the magazine in it. I think it's the easiest to shoot. Pretty accurate gun. Pretty light on trigger pull. Very happy with it. Glock here, very accurate also. It's pretty reliable, no problems. SIG, I really like this gun here. Very good gun. You pretty much point wherever you point, that's where it's gonna go. Very accurate. This is the older version where it was still made by SIG. The newer versions, I believe the frame